here on an outdoor gun range, we're going to shoot the Barrett 338 Lapua, and we're going to show you how friendly it is to shooters who are intimidated by it. Okay, and then the scope that we have on here is a Vortex Viper, and then also the high performance Barrett rings to keep it in one place, because obviously the gun is very powerful. You want to also have a very good scope and rings that you have to get from Barrett specifically, which run about $100 a piece. Okay, and the bullets you're going to use for these are 338 Lapua mag, and this is about one of the only companies that make it. They make two different grains in this. This one here is 250 grain, which is about one of the most powerful ones that you can get for it. There's the empty shell for the Lapua. It's, as you can see, about as big as my thumb. It's one step under the 30 BMG. So, and if you want to see an unshot round, there it is.
Compared to a hand.
Yeah. If you want to look at it compared to like a, say, 5.56 bullet, that's about what it looks like. Much bigger, much beefier.
King Daddy.
Okay, and we're gonna let Amy shoot this. Basically, this slide comfortably holds about 7 rounds in it. About all you need before you need a break, and it just loads right in. And then obviously it's a bolt action rifle, so you'll have to go around here. One thing to remember is this gun will not go into the safe mode until there's actually a round in the chamber. So cock it back, you can actually see down in there. It'll load one. It's down, and now we're in safe and ready to aim and shoot.
On fire.
Okay, here she goes. This gun has almost no kick to it. But it is loud. When you're shooting this gun, you want to stand kind of back away from it because of the repercussion that it actually shoots out.
Okay, I'm getting ready to fire.
She's shooting for the far target on the left. It's about 100 yards.
And fire. All right, we're on our way to see the damage. Here is where I was aiming for. This one's mine, this one, and that one. Those were the last time, so it's sighted in pretty good. Okay, it's Mike's turn. He's actually gonna shoot for one of the lower targets. We're gonna see how accurate it is. I'm standing on this side to avoid the gust of wind.
Much better.
And stuff.
I hit that one right in the center.
Sweet.
On the bottom left.
Awesome.
Look, whenever you're shooting this, see how it's on the bag? Put your hand under this to stabilize it so it doesn't move, and you'll get an accurate shot every time. Okay. Let's go
All
look.
right, here's Mikey's shots.
Those are my 4 shots. That's the one that went dead center, and then there's my group.
Sweet. We're
So
gonna
it's-
shoot for this next.
So it's hitting really accurate.
All right, I'm gonna try for it.
Here she goes. You got it.
Yeah!
That was a huge piece of mud clay that we put on the top of the target, and it just exploded it. Okay, so what this one is this is the Ruger AR 556. I'm sure a lot of people own this gun and know exactly what it is. Today we're just gonna shoot with the factory sights and see how accurate it is. We're about 25 to 30 yards out is where our target's at. So, very common gun, very affordable too. For those of you that are in the market for an affordable AR. It's a lot different shooting this one once you've been shooting that 338 Lapua.
No kidding.
It's like a baby gun.
Baby gun.
And funny thing happens when you rapid fire, you run out of ammo real quick. Now you can see the serious shots right here in the center, but that's just all the rapid fire.
Still hit the target.
Yep. Okay, here's Amy shooting the Ruger AR 556. Definitely not as loud. She's shooting for that target that's about 25 to 30 yards out.
Well, I'm not sure if I actually hit where I was supposed to. It looks like I was off quite a bit. Yeah.
Is that?
Here was my last attempt
She
with the
got like
338
2
Lapua.
bullseyes.
Yeah.
She hit the same spot like 3 times. I would say the scope's working.
Yeah.
Definitely recommend it. I'm almost done. Okay.
My turn.
Yeah, let's go check rifle right there. I did groups right here, and then for my last 3, I did right here.